In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find name servers on Namecheap quickly and easily. If you've ever needed to check where your domain is pointing, connect a website or troubleshoot DNS settings, this is the exact process you need. I'll walk you through each step so you can locate your name servers without any confusion. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and log in to your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there, and one of the options is Domain List. Click on Domain List to view all of the domains connected to your account. Now you need to find the domain you want to check. If you have more than one domain, scan through the list carefully until you find the exact one you're looking for. Once you locate it, move over to the right side of that domain and click Manage. This will open the settings page for that specific domain. On the Domain Management page, scroll down until you find the Nameservers section. This is where Namecheap displays the current name server records assigned to your domain. In this section, you'll be able to see exactly which name servers are being used right now. At this point, check whether your domain is using Namecheap BasicDNS, Web Hosting DNS, or CustomDNS. If it says BasicDNS, that means your domain is using Namecheap's default DNS. If it says Web Hosting DNS, your domain is pointed to hosting-based name servers. And if it shows CustomDNS, then your domain is using name servers from another provider, such as a hosting company or external DNS service. This step is especially important if you're setting up a website, connecting email, changing hosting, or troubleshooting why a domain is not working correctly. Knowing your current name servers helps you understand exactly where your DNS is managed and whether any changes need to be made. If you need to copy the name server values, just highlight them and save them somewhere safe, or compare them with the DNS settings you were given by your hosting provider. Always make sure the name servers match the service you want your domain to use. And that's it. You now know how to find name servers on Namecheap. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and now you can check your domain's DNS setup anytime you need. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide.